Hello everybody. Tomorrow I'm going to be delivering a workshop on the engaging voice at AGL here in Melbourne at the Docklands. I'd like to give a big shout out to Christiana Anderson, who's helped me organise this workshop for the past couple of months. We've got a whole day workshop on how to use your voice to engage with others more successfully and deeply. So we're going to be talking about feedback and awareness, self-awareness. We're going to be talking about concepts around technique, voice technique, and practicing our presentation and body language around that. I'm really looking forward to sharing lots of stories and funny videos that show you many different ways of using your voice in such a way that you can feel that you can immediately make changes to your voice. Now, a voice, as you know, I believe is very, very important. It's like your face. You can't change it. You bring it everywhere with you. And it does impact on how you connect with other people. Some of us are stuck in our personalities, our type of profile, our personality profile is too strong. Some of us are just too soft, and it affects the way people hear us. And unless you're actually aware of that and know how to make those changes, you're limited in the way you can speak to other people and the way you can engage. So here tomorrow at AGL, I will be explaining what you can do to change your voice tone. We're going to be doing some voice exercises and then getting up and presenting using different strategies and different approaches to what you usually do. So I'm looking forward to it for those of you that are going to be there. And for anybody else interested, please check out my book on the art of powerful communication, aligning 3 critical aspects that I believe are important when we are communicating, and that is our mindset, the way we're thinking, the way we believe about ourselves, what we're aware of and what we're not aware of, how we deal with feedback, what drives us, what motivates us. And then we look at voice technique and how to use your voice in a variety of ways. And then finally, messaging, how to understand other people in the room and the cultures in a room, and also the preferences people have, and how to reach out to different people in the audience and not be stuck in our own way with our own limitations and our own expression, but to be open. So I look forward to tomorrow's workshop. It's going to be a whole day, and I'm going to be talking to you about a 90-day program that I would like to deliver at AGL, and I'd like to show you what else we could do and how much deeper we could take some of these concepts where we could actually be learning it and learning to implement it in the long run. Thank you very much, and I look forward to seeing you all. Thank you. Bye-bye.